Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by isolating power and connection issues. Charge the headphones fully, then power cycle them. Once done, put them into pairing mode and remove any old pairing records on your phone or computer so you create a fresh connection. Make sure to test with 2 audio sources, phone and laptop, to confirm the noise isn't source-specific. While you listen, hold each ear cup gently to feel for loose components. If you detect movement, stop and prepare for the next, more detailed steps. Now address software and signal path factors. Update the firmware, and if available, any companion app. Outdated firmware can introduce noise. Then set EQ to flat and temporarily disable ANC or transparency. These processing features can create hiss or static. Next, test wired audio with a known good cable. Wired silence indicates a wireless/ANC issue, while persistent noise points to internal hardware. Finally, run a microphone loopback, or use an alternate device to confirm whether the problem follows the headphone. To conclude, attempt a full factory reset to clear persistent firmware glitches, then retest both ANC on and off. If static remains and you feel confident, remove the ear cup cover to inspect wiring and solder joints near the driver. Loose ground or frayed shielding commonly causes static. Once reassembled, test again. If you're unsure or under warranty, contact Beats/Apple for service. Do not continue opening sealed units. Troubleshooting tip: if static
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.